Hello, and welcome to day 26 of our English speaking practice series. Today's lesson is 50 self-talk sentences, Emma's morning routine before leaving the dorm. In this video, you'll practice natural American English by speaking with Emma as she gets ready for her day at a U.S. university. You'll follow her morning routine from the moment she wakes up until she leaves her dorm for class. Each sentence is written in the first person, so you can imagine that you are Emma. This self-talk method helps you build fluency, improve your pronunciation, and develop the habit of thinking in English. Here's how to practice. Listen to each sentence carefully. Repeat it out loud with Emma. Focus on clear pronunciation and natural rhythm. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep speaking. These sentences are perfect for B1 English learners and anyone who wants to speak English more naturally and confidently in everyday situations. Are you ready? Let's begin day 26 and practice together. I wake up when my alarm goes off. I wake up when my alarm goes off. I turn off my alarm and sit up in bed. I turn off my alarm and sit up in bed. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I open my eyes and smile at the new day. I open my eyes and smile at the new day. I look at the time on my phone. I look at the time on my phone. I check my messages quickly. I check my messages quickly. I put my phone on my desk. I put my phone on my desk. I get out of bed and stand up. I get out of bed and stand up. I make my bed neatly. I make my bed neatly. I open the curtains and let sunlight into my room. I open the curtains and let sunlight into my room. I look outside and check the weather. I look outside and check the weather. I decide what clothes I want to wear. I decide what clothes I want to wear. I open my closet and choose an outfit. I open my closet and choose an outfit. I take my clothes and get dressed. I take my clothes and get dressed. I put on my comfortable shoes. I put on my comfortable shoes. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I look in the mirror and fix my hair. I look in the mirror and fix my hair. I comb my hair before starting my day. I comb my hair before starting my day. I put on some sunscreen before going outside. I put on some sunscreen before going outside. I return to my dorm room. I return to my dorm room. I organize my desk before studying. I organize my desk before studying. I clean up some papers on my table. I clean up some papers on my table. I check my class schedule for today. I check my class schedule for today. I review my first class information. I review my first class information. I open my laptop and check my emails. I open my laptop and check my emails. I read messages from my professors. I read messages from my professors. I reply to important emails. I reply to important emails. I write down my tasks for the day. I write down my tasks for the day. I prepare my notebook for class. I prepare my notebook for class. I pack my textbooks into my backpack. I pack my textbooks into my backpack. I put my laptop safely into my bag. I put my laptop safely into my bag. I add my charger and headphones. I add my charger and headphones. I fill my water bottle for the day. I fill my water bottle for the day. I check my wallet and student ID. I check my wallet and student ID. I make sure I have my keys. I make sure I have my keys. I clean my room before leaving. I clean my room before leaving. I throw away any trash near my desk. I throw away any trash near my desk. I close my laptop and turn off the lights. I close my laptop and turn off the lights. I check my dorm room one more time. I check my dorm room one more time. I put on my jacket because it is cool outside. I put on my jacket because it is cool outside. I pick up my backpack from the chair. I pick up my backpack from the chair. I stand near the door and get ready to leave. I stand near the door and get ready to leave. I lock my dorm room door carefully. I lock my dorm room door carefully. I check that I have everything with me. I check that I have everything with me. I smile and feel ready for my day. I smile and feel ready for my day. I say hello to my neighbors. I say hello to my neighbors. I walk down the dorm hallway. I walk down the dorm hallway. I head to campus for my first class. I head to campus for my first class. Excellent job! You've just completed Day 26, 50 Self-Talk Sentences, Emma's morning routine before leaving the dorm. By practicing these sentences aloud, you're improving your speaking confidence, pronunciation, vocabulary, and fluency, one step at a time. Remember, the key to speaking English well is consistent daily practice. Even just 10 to 15 minutes each day can make a big difference over time. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice it again tomorrow. Try speaking without reading and imagine that you are Emma, going through your own morning routine in English. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lesson in our English speaking practice series. In Day 27, you'll practice another set of real-life English self-talk sentences to help you speak more naturally in everyday situations. Thanks for learning with us. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you in the next lesson.